Definition of mass spectrometry. Mass spectrometry, mass spec or MS, uses high-energy electrons to break a molecule into fragments. Destructive method of analysis. Separation and analysis of the fragments provides information about molecular weight, structure. Mass spectrometry is highly sensitive and requires less sample than our and NMR. What's in a mass spectrum? Mass, as mZ. Z is the charge, and for doubly charged ions, often seen in macromolecules, masses show up at half their proper value. The impact of a stream of high-energy electrons causes the molecule to lose an electron, forming a radical cation, which is a species with a positive charge and one unpaired electron. The impact of the stream of high-energy electrons can also break the molecule or the radical cation into fragments. Molecular ion, parent ion, the radical cation corresponding to the mass of the original molecule. Mass spectrum of ethanol, MW equals 46. The molecular ion is usually the highest mass in the spectrum. Some exceptions with specific isotopes. Some molecular ion peaks are absent. Only cations are detected. Radicals are invisible in mass spectrum. The amount of deflection observed depends on the mass-to-charge ratio, mZ. Most cations formed have a charge of +1, so the amount of deflection observed is usually dependent on the mass of the ion. The resulting mass spectrum is a graph of the mass of each cation versus its relative abundance. The peaks are assigned an abundance as a percentage of the base peak, the most intense peak in the spectrum. The base peak is not necessarily the same as the parent ion peak.